Is it time to buy or sell MP Materials stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MP Materials. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked MP Materials as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.71. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 83.52% since we first listed MP Materials as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.21% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a potentially favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is reasonable to anticipate a reaction back toward the lower section of this trend. A breakout above the upper trend line at $45.46 would signal a more vigorous rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 44.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 16.66% to positive 45.68%. In the context of a longer-term analysis, our 12-month projections indicate a potential change of about 64.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 23.37% to positive 65.42% over the next year. This places the future price within the range of $34.57 to $74.62. Our latest daily update for MP Materials includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MP Materials Stock Price on Friday, moving between $44.65 and $50.94. The MP Materials stock price declined by 0.265% on the last day, which was Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, from $45.23 to $45.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.1% from a day low of $44.65 to a day high of $50.94. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 25.34% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 49 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $50.94, and the lowest was $10.02. Currently, the price is 11.44%, or $5.83, below the 52-week high, and 25.05%, or $15.08, below the all-time high on the 30th of March, 2022, when the price reached $60.19. MP Materials has witnessed a significant surge in its stock price following a landmark partnership with the United States Department of Defense. The stock rallied by more than 40% after the Pentagon invested $400 million, acquiring a 15% stake in the company. This investment marks a critical step toward the United States achieving self-sufficiency in rare earth materials. It not only strengthens MP's position in the rare earth supply chain, but also underscores the increasing reliance on domestic production to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers, particularly China. Year to date, MP Materials shares have risen an impressive 190%, fueled by robust investor sentiment and positive analyst ratings that are boosting stock expectations. However, rising production costs and the company's operational losses present challenges that could dampen short-term gains. Despite these immediate hurdles, the strategic support from the Department of Defense positions MP favorably for future growth. as it aims to enhance U.S. rare earth magnet output through a decade-long agreement. In the long term, as the United States moves toward a more self-sufficient stance on rare earths, MP Materials may experience enhanced stability and growth in revenue, making it an appealing option for investors focused on sustainable investments in the technology and defense sectors. The recent developments signal an exciting time for MP, reflecting a shift in how rare earth materials are sourced and utilized within the domestic market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank also assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Canaccord Genuity rated MP as underperform while also recommending a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, BMO Capital again rated MP with a market perform and a hold action. Furthermore, on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, Deutsche Bank reiterated a market perform rating for MP, maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned MP Materials stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also provided a rating of strong sell for this stock. The following signals have been identified for MP Materials. The MP Materials stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $35.26 and $29.45. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 10, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 0.265%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal derived from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 65 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 25 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MP Materials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $37.22 and $35.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, MP Materials finds support just below today's level at $37.22. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $35.48 and $34.65. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.30 between its high and low, representing a 14.10% change. For the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 8.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MP Materials, let us quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 16 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MP Materials. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MP Materials is at $45.23. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, MP Materials faces its first support level at $37.22. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for MP Materials from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 1st, 2025, Hoops Elliott Dean executed an insider sale of 3,937 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hoops Elliott Dean conducted another insider sale of 2,401 shares of common stock. On June 30th, 2025, Lavin Marianne made an insider purchase of 845 shares of common stock. On that same day, Duckworth Connie K also conducted an insider purchase of 901 shares of common stock. On June 26, 2025, Hoops Elliott Dean sold 5,523 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 79.454. Overall, insiders acquired 904,958 shares and disposed of 6,159,885 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.38, reflecting a decrease of 3.84%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is MP Materials stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for MP Materials stock to perform well in the near term. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of July, we anticipate MP Materials will open higher by $1.79, starting trading at $46.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.